What up, YouTube? Today is gonna be an awesome day, sorta. Not really. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. But I got some cool in the package, and I'm gonna show you what it is. And I might install it today, but I might not, because I don't really have too much time. I went to take my girlfriend's car to get a brand new battery replacement, but it's just unlucky for her because everything goes wrong with her. It kind of sucks. And yeah, pretty much they replaced the battery with a new one, but I know the aftermarket alarm system was reset, so now the car won't even start. Like, the only thing that works are the headlights that turn on, but they don't even turn off either. They just automatically are on when the battery's hooked up. Okay guys, well, what I found out for my car was that the terminals were put on backwards. So I ripped it burnt out like 3-4 fuses, and it was a big ordeal. And while I was trying to cut this box to show you what's inside, my scissors broke on me. So yeah, not too good of a day. So it blew like 3-4 fuses, and then our mechanic came, because I don't know anything electrical, like that's beyond my head. I can replace parts like any monkey can, but I can't, I can't do electrical wiring. That's just not what I need to learn how to do that. Got some better scissors. And yeah, pretty much he yanked it was like some Viper alarm, I don't know. It's my girlfriend's car, so there's not really gonna be any modding. I just want it pure stock so it can run forever, because it's a Toyota, you know. The only mods I might do is maybe paint the rims black or give it some tinted windows, but every other thing I'm gonna do to that car is just maintenance. Just be on top of maintenance, because I want her to have a long-lasting car. And yeah, so that whole ordeal happened. So it sucks because I work there, so I know everyone there. So tomorrow when I go to work, I'm gonna have to talk to everyone about it, because I'm not gonna pay. I'm not gonna pay for the fuck up. Even though it sucks, because it was one of my friends that fucked it up, but I'm not mad, you know. They're $1 million company. They reimbursed me for my troubles. And the scissors are actually working. Cut all these things off. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys something exciting. Obviously, I'm not gonna install it today, but I'll install it tomorrow. And let me show you what it could be. What do you guys think it is? It's for my car. What do you think it is?
Maybe lights?
Lights? It could be lights. I do need headlights. My headlights are leaking. The water's getting into them in my passenger side headlight. So it could be headlights. You think it's lights? We'll see. It's something I've been waiting in the mail for about half a month. Can you say carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber?
Yeah, carbon fiber.
So what's that for?
It's nice. It's a nice product. Everyone that has a car, Marley, they always want carbon fiber everywhere in the car. It makes the car look cool. People like the side skirts carbon fiber. They like the hood carbon fiber, and it's real light. It's real light. See? Ooh, look at that, you guys. I got my carbon fiber hood scoop. And dude, this thing just it just smells nice. It looks nice. Thing is gonna look nasty on one car. It's gonna look dope. Then at the bottom, you have all your mounting brackets on there. Dude, this thing is nice. And I'm not just gonna install it on there. I'm gonna put something to clean it real good, make it shiny and clean. And yeah, so I'm not gonna install it today, but I'll install it tomorrow. And so dude, I'm so excited to show y'all how that thing looks on my car. So we'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, well, it's the next day and it's time to take my hood scoop off, the stock one. It looks pretty easy to take off. It's just a few, I think, 10mm bolts. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 9 bolts to take off. And this is the whole hood scoop. So let's take them off and see how it looks like without a hood scoop. Okay, so I took all the bolts off, but now there's gonna be 2 little plastic clips right there to take off, and I'm pretty sure after taking that off, the whole thing just pops off. Let's see if it just comes off. I don't know what it could be, but we'll find out. Okay, so I finally took off the hood scoop. I took off this thing, but I don't need to take that off. I need to put that back on. Pretty much here's the hood scoop. At the bottom is where you'll take all the screws off. And then there's going to be, I think, 3 tabs. There's going to be one right, focuses, one right there, one right there, one right there. You'll just use like a flathead to take it off. So there's the stock one. There's kind of like dirt and it's kind of raining, so got some shop towels. Just gonna clean off some of this nasty crap. On here. All this, just gonna wipe it off. It's all dirty. That's how dirty my car is. I haven't washed her in a while. Okay, now let's get my other hood scoop. Now here's the differences on both of them. If you can see the slit, look at this one. That looks so cool. You can't really see the carbon fiber too much, but the thing's awesome. Difference with this one is that in the back they're all screws. So let me take off all these screws off and then see how easy this is to put on. But dude, the difference it's gonna make putting it on the car is gonna be crazy. Okay, so it started to sprinkle. It's getting cold. So I'm about to be done, but look, I got all the screws in. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. And there's the opening. I still have to put this piece back. This is an important piece because here where pretty much all the airflow goes from here through there to the top mount, which I don't have, so it goes to, I don't know, air just kind of goes through the plastic thing to the turbo. I honestly don't know how efficient that is, but yeah, let me lower the hood and show you how it sort of looks. And there you guys go. That's how it looks. It's a lot bigger. You can literally like put your hand in it. You can fist it if you want. Okay, so there, everything's back on. You're gonna, to put this back on, all these, go back. There's 4 that goes back over here, but you're gonna have to, I had to take this one off, these 2 off, and these 2 off to fit this. So I had to take 4 of these off, and then put the plastic piece on there, and then reinstall them. And after I did that, got that back in. I don't know how important that is to have back in, but I feel like the airflow is getting more directed to the turbo than just having it open. So I'm not, that's what it's designed to do, so I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Put my tools back. Here's the old hood scoop, and let's see how the new one looks. There you guys have it. Looking at it, you can see the plastic piece that goes down, and then this is kind of covered. So honestly, I might have to just take that piece off. I'm not too sure yet. I'm gonna look in the forums, see what most people did, and go from there. Maybe put like a kind of like a screen, so no like crap goes in there. I'm not too sure. There you guys go. There's the final product. Kind of gap. There's kind of decent. Right here is the fitment's perfect, but I don't know how much I like this small little gap right here. I don't know. There it is, you guys. I just need the hood scoop, and the outside's perfect. Look at that beauty.